Hello and welcome to the manufacturing plant and showroom of Concorde. This is their Centurion Style Carver. This is one of 4 vehicles which they do in the Carver series. This is the smallest. This one's got a sort of a German style rear layout. 2 of them have rear lounges. And the biggest one also comes with a garage for a car and has a queen bed at the back. This thing here will be on a 7.5 ton basis, giving 1,100 kilos of payload. So let's have a look inside it. So we'll come up the steps and have a walk through. So you can see this one's got an extra bed. That's an optional extra. And if you watch my videos, you'd know I much rather have storage up there. Of course, you may be a couple who don't want to sleep with each other, so that I also understand. Now, when I come to the bedroom here at the back, you'll see what I mean by a sort of German layout. It's got a nice, easy step up and then into bed. Let's have a look under here. Can't. Let's have a look under here. Can't. Let's have a okay, you get the point. So the bed is fixed, but you can see here under the mattress there's a Frolly, I should say, system, and down here as well. There. Now, so this is slightly, I would say it's more of a fixed German layout than the one which you sort of get in cheaper vehicles. Now, as we're in the back, at the back in the bedroom, let's have a quick look also at the storage up here. There. And this one's got also a sound system sort of built into the walls. And presumably that comes with the television. Let's have a look. Oh, look down the vehicle. So that's the view when you sort of sit up in bed in the morning. Although you probably wouldn't want to go to bed with the sandals on. That's just a quick bit of advice. Now, one thing I'm not so impressed by though is these corner bits. And you know, really, I think that's a waste of space. And I'm also going on about things which are a waste of space, and that certainly is one. Now, let's turn the camera around here, and let's have a look what we've got down here. We have shore power there and there. Incidentally, you can actually connect your shore power up to your inverter, so so when you can use your 220 or 230 equipment when it's not connected. That is possible. I'm in the process of doing that in my own vehicle. Here, we turn the lights on or off. Oh, there you go, they're off now. And there's that one on. Here, we'll turn them back on to make it look nicer. And because we've got a central control for the lights up front. Now, the bedroom can be closed via this thing here that goes across like that. And should you want to use the toilet, for example, we're now in the dressing room, in a way, the washroom, dressing room. We can close this like that to reveal this really nice mirror here. We've got a rather large shower, the size of which I shall demonstrate. In fact, I'll leave this one open because whilst I'm demonstrating. So I'll get in the shower. Fortunately, there's a mirror there. Right, see how much space there is, okay? See that? How much space, and take my arm across like that. So it's quite a large shower. It also comes with a thing there to wash your socks with. Well, you wouldn't wash your socks, I mean you dry your socks. You wash them first and then you hang them up there. Very nice moulded sink. And whilst using the toilet, you have control of the heating via the Aldi thing, which is there. You can also control the lights if you wanted to as well. this, I think, very attractively curved, very nicely done. So let's have a look how big the dressing area is as you're getting dressed. There you go. So this is what the inside looks like now. Rather impressive area. I did say it was a dressing area, so this is a place for your clothes, wardrobe and shelves below. Also comes with a skylight. Whilst the vehicle's in movement, you can naturally keep the door closed via this. Good idea to do so, because if not, it will bang. Brings us into the kitchen, which has this rather distinguished looking 3 burner hob from Thetford. Same as used by death lifts, I think. And moulded sink. There you go. And down here we have these drawers, which are proper drawers, proper sides to them. You'll have a look under the sink as well. Oh, that's, yeah, that, it's got the bit at the back here because of the sink being there, but that's I think, or something like that. Right, I have to take that bit out. And let's have a look at the others as well. And here we have one of these, as they're called in German, sort of apothecary cabinets, slide out pantry. Above that we've got the aircon unit, and here storage, and this is one of these fridge freezers that both opens in both directions. This one too opens in both directions. So L-shaped at the front, we've got these magnificent seats, and there's the drop-down bed. Table can be made a little bit bigger as well. Let's have a look at the storage. Mind you, it does have this bit here as well. Again, these ledges, I don't know what you're supposed to do with them. I'd rather, if the space is going to be used, I'd rather have it used for storage. That's what I see things. And this thing here opens as well. Oh, that's how it works. Take that bit out. Now up here we've got the place where we can, the control panels. Let's open this one up as well so you can see everything. So up there you've got the internet. Here we have the Alde heating. I'll just demonstrate this for you. So there you go, that's how you turn your heating on. Proudly made in Sweden, and it's 26 degrees, one hookup, and as it's 26 degrees you probably wouldn't want anything on, but let's just have a look at some things on the menu and take you through the menu, as you can see. Anyway, we'll turn that off because it's too hot now. Anyway, here we have the we've turned the lights on and off. I'll do that as I leave. And master volt connect thing here, which is controlling things like the solar and other the inverters and the like. Another speaker for the sound system. Yeah, I've got the glasses kept up there, which I suppose looks quite good, and light switches and additional storage down there. Right, now what I think I'll do is I'm gonna open this thing here so you can see the vehicle all the way to the back, and I'm gonna sit down there and tell you about the pricing on this one here. So this is on Iveco Daily 65C18. There you go. There's the information. But I can just read it to you. So, I didn't mention, I did say 8 meters, I think. I can't remember. 240 wide, 359 centimeters high, and it's 210 horsepower engine. Right, so there's the price. You can see starting price 227,350, but this thing, by the time you got the end, is 360,780. Why is it so expensive? Well, the number one large thing is the hydraulic system, which leveling system, which cost nearly 10,000 euros. And you may think, well, that's the price of a 1987 camper van. Yes, it is, but then again, if you had that 1987 camper van, you'd have to sleep in unstable ground. And the next largest thing is the chassis packet, which also includes air suspension and various other things related to suspension. That's also only 10,000 euros as well. So, oh, and if you want the value-added tax is 57,804, but that is not an option, but rather something you've got no choice of avoiding. Take that bit out as well. Anyway, you can see there the full list of extras that it comes with. So, a television there, television in the back. Let's have a look around the outside. Oh, before we do that though, let's just turn the lights out. And as you can see, the lights have gone out. It's got a very large garage here. I don't see the garage from this side. So, look at the enormous size of that. You know, 400 kilos weight it'll take inside. Outside shower here, but it's huge. And that's absolutely fantastic as far as garages go. Hard to think of any other vehicle which has such a good garage as this one. Right, storage compartments in the double floor. And here we have the release valves for the wastewater, that's for the grey water tank, and the black water tanks. This has a black water tank, not a cassette. It's a heating unit. And the gas. And there's some storage for long things such as skis and the like. So, what do you think of that? Does that find that interesting? If you do, then put your comments below. And thanks for watching.